Can you count it? They're taped. There you go. Here. Is it candy?
No.
What is it?
Money. It's for you.
For me?
Can we
Get
have
it?
another one?
Another one?
Yeah.
What do you say to Mama Ma?
Huh?
What do you say to Mama Ma? She gave you all these eggs. What do you want to tell her?
That she came here and gave them to us?
Uh-huh. Tell her on the video.
Thank you.